Okay, in this lesson for sound, we are going to introduce what is sound. These are learner's outcome. So what is sound? Next time if you are able to observe a loudspeaker that has sound coming out, you will realize that it vibrates. So you know that when you see a loudspeaker vibrate, it has sound coming out. So the question is it that the sound that's coming out of the speaker that makes the speaker vibrate? Or is it that the vibration of the speaker that actually creates the sound? Think about it. Okay, I'm going to illustrate this idea using this rubber band music box. So this is a rubber band that's wrapped around an empty box. Okay, just so take a rubber band and stretch it over an empty box. Okay, so I'm going to show you this video. Okay, and you strum the rubber band. You'll notice that a sound that's coming out. And you can actually stretch the rubber band and it will produce a high-pitched sound. Okay, so what do you think this video is trying to demonstrate? Is it that the sound that creates the vibration of the rubber band? Or is it the vibration of the rubber band that creates the sound? It's the vibration of the rubber band that creates the sound. So that's why when you strum a guitar, it will produce a sound. So the nature of sound is that the source of a sound actually comes from some form of vibration. Again, you can try this out now. Place a finger on your throat and try to say something. You'll feel that there's some form of vibration that's coming from your throat that your fingers have feel. Again, it's the vibration of the throat that creates a sound that when you are speaking. So the sound that you hear comes from some vibration. Okay, so this particular setup is actually a loudspeaker that's kept in a jar, and then you have this pressure gauge to measure the air pressure inside. Because later there's some machine that will actually take the air out, and this would indicate that there's little air inside. So right now the air is being removed away from the jar, and you notice that the sound is much softer. Okay, so right now the person is going to release some air inside gradually and notice the difference in terms of level of sound. And all the air is let in. So this is actually the address of the YouTube video. So looking at the video, why do you think that we cannot hear the speaker after the vacuum pump is turned on for some time? What does the vacuum pump do? As mentioned before, it actually takes the air out of the jar. And when the air is let back into the jar, the sound can be heard again. This demonstration shows that to hear a sound, we somehow need air. More accurately, sound actually needs the medium to be heard. Why? It's because sound needs to be able to reach our ear to be heard. As sound is a form of vibration, you will vibrate its surrounding medium, which is air first. So this is a very simple picture of how it works. So this is a tuning fork which vibrate, and it will vibrate the surrounding air, and the vibration will pass through the air and reach our ear. The vibration actually causes our eardrum to vibrate, and that's how we are able to sense and hear sound. Okay, this is another picture. So the sound will reach our ear and into our ear and vibrate the eardrum so that it will signal our brain so that we will hear a sound. So if any of this element is missing, for example, if there's no medium or no air, or if your eardrum is damaged, you'll find that you will not be hearing any sound. So in short, sound that we hear is actually a form of vibration that's transmitted through a surrounding medium, which is usually the air, which then reaches our eardrums or ear to be heard. Some simulation model of the sound you can play with. So again, this is a very similar model that we see from previously, but when we are in control. So you see that these are the air particles and this is the speaker. So I'll just do a pause and you'll notice that when the speaker vibrate, it will actually cause the surrounding air to vibrate and the vibration is being passed out to the surroundings. So you see that the vibration actually goes up. Okay, and even though there's no sound anymore, the air will still vibrate. Okay, now the air particles are already more or less settled. Let's try again, but this time round, we vibrate continuously. Okay, so you see that this vibrates continuously, and this actually shows the vibration. And you see that the vibration actually goes out continuously in waves. Okay, sort of like in waves. So it's very similar. Okay, if you see from another perspective or not the particles, you find that it looks very similar. So just to show you that you find that this is actually how we think sound works. Okay, there's a vibration source in the center and it will vibrate and it will cause the surrounding air to vibrate and the vibration actually goes all out. So that's why sound can transmit to its surrounding. That's all for now. Please subscribe and support my channel. For my other physics video lesson arranged according to topics, please visit my blog at boringphysicsteacherswordpress.com. You can subscribe to my channel to be informed when I upload new physics video lessons. Thank you.